This is 2026, and when you log in on social media, the very first advice you get from people is that you should learn a skill. Now, you should learn this skill whether you're a university student, whether you're still in studying school. In fact, as far as you're a Nigerian or as far as you're a human being, the very first thing is you should learn a skill despite the course you are studying. And the truth of the matter is that they are not wrong. Now, in that same social media, you get to see another set of people telling you that they have learned a particular skill. It can be graphics design, it can be video editing, it can be any skill, programming and the rest. I see this thing mostly among those people that learned programming. And along the way, you see those same people telling you that they have learned this skill, but they are not getting gig, they are not getting job. In fact, they have not made money from that particular skill. And it gets you confused because Mr. A is telling you to learn a skill, Mr. B is telling you that he has learned the skill and he has not made money. And sincerely, you need money. And that is why they are advising you to learn this skill. So how are you going to deal with the fact that this person have learned this skill, has spent 2 years, 3 years learning this particular skill, and this person has not yet made money from that particular skill? This leads to a lot of frustration because you get confused, you lack clarity at that particular point in time, and the worst of it is that a lot of people get depressed and lose motivation about it. But there's this one particular skill that nobody is talking about. In fact, if you go on social media, nobody is talking about this skill. When you say, okay, which skill should I learn? The only thing they tell you is YouTube automation, content creation, video editing, graphics designing. In fact, people don't talk about this particular skill, and that is what I am going to be revealing in this particular video. This skill, when you learn this skill, I tell you the truth, you are going to be among the 1% in any skill. If you learn this particular skill and you have to add it with another skill, you are going to be among the 1% in your profession. And the truth of the matter is that you don't need to pay money to learn this skill. You don't need to pay thousands of dollars or thousands of nairas for you to learn this skill. With social media, with YouTube, and even listening to my videos, you are naturally going to learn on how you can be able to navigate this particular skill and see how you can start earning money from it. And if you are just coming across my channel for the very first time, my name is Basi Ejoba, and in my channel I help students level up the academic game. I also share helpful tips on this channel focusing on personal development. So if you love content like this, don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button and also share my videos to your friends so they can come here and gain value, and in turn I'll feel motivated to continue dropping helpful videos like this. This skill I'm about to mention is an age-long skill that has given a lot of people money. People like Brian Tracy, people like Jim Rohn. So if you have been reading people like this, at the end of the day, you know where I'm driving to, and this is basically known as sales. This skill is underrated. People don't even talk about it, but this is the only place that, or the only skill that can remove you from frustration. Imagine you're a graphics designer and you don't know how to sell yourself. You don't know how to, you just know how to design graphics. You are very competent in graphics designing, but you don't know how to put yourself out there for people to know you. You are not going to make that money you think you are going to make. So it is very, very important people understand and learn the concept of sales. Now, sales is not complicated. Sales is simply you packaging your ideas or packaging what you know or packaging yourself, meeting people and communicating expressively. When I say communication, it is not just about you talking, it's about you saying things and the other person get to know what you are saying, understand it, and see how they can buy your idea. That is basically how you can make money, and that is how you can make money from any skill you are learning, whether it is graphic design, whether it is video editing or services. You understand? Now look at what I do. Most of the time is I teach, I run tutorials for students, and when I need money, basically what I do is I organize tutorials. And for you to have students in this tutorial is for you to, what you do, lead generation. So you have to undergo, you have to create a lead generation. Now when we say lead, lead is from the name L-E-A-D. Lead is simply a funnel where you get people to know what you want to do. So this lead can be as a student. Let's say, for example, as a student, I want to run a tutorial. Basically what I do is I meet the course rep, or I meet 1 or 2 persons in that class. I talk to them about my tutorial. I create a WhatsApp link for them. They join my tutorial. Now when they join my tutorial, I don't just rush and start charging them. What I do is I try to give them orientation, give them series of orientation, give them value, give them enough value. In fact, sometimes I host free classes for them, and along the line I introduce my paid plan. Now this is going to sound a little bit simple because I'm talking about tutorial. Now let's go forward to talk about those of you who are into graphics designing, who are into video editing and the rest. If you know you are looking for a video editing work, or you're a graphics designer, You cannot be a graphic designer without having a portfolio, because your portfolio speaks for you. You cannot be there every time. You cannot attend to everybody in the whole world, or you cannot be talking to everybody or showing them sample one by one, one by one. The best way to do it is using what we call portfolio. So you can create your social media account and attach your portfolio to it. You can use Google Doc as your portfolio to create your portfolio. Now your portfolio is people get to click on it and see what you have done. That is what is going to give them the conviction that, okay, you actually know what you are doing. You understand? So that is just how it is. And some of the time, you can meet someone and say, okay, let me do something for you. Most of them call it co-market. It's okay, let me do something for you. And when they see the value that is there, they don't have any other option than to retain you. You understand? So that was talking about lead generation. So you give people value for their money. You give them value why they need to buy into what you are selling or what you are doing. You understand? So that is how sales start. And when they finally get to buy into your idea, that is when you introduce the paid plan, and that is how you can make your money. So it is very, very important you understand how you can be able to sell yourself. Social media is there. You cannot tell me you're a graphics designer, you're a video editor, you don't even have a YouTube channel, you don't have a Facebook account, you don't know how to sell yourself, you're not on Upwork, you're not on Fiverr, you don't know how all these things, and you say you're a graphics designer. You cannot sell. You cannot sell. So it is very, very important that people understand that it is not just about learning the skill, but it's the ability for you to put yourself out there, let the whole world know you, let people know that this is what you are doing, and that is basically what is understand as a concept of sales. So this is one underrated money-making skill that people are not taught. And like I said, you don't pay money for it, although there are schools that teach you the concept of sales. In fact, there are people that teach you on how you can be able to understand the concept of sales, and I'm going to be making series of videos about it. The more I learn, I'm going to be making videos on how you can enter the concept of sales. So that is basically this skill that it is being underrated. It's being underrated by a lot of people. So if you are learning graphics designing, start learning on how you can sell yourself as a graphics designer. If you are learning video editing, start learning on how you can be able to sell yourself as a video editor. So the concept of sales and marketing isn't to be underrated, especially as a young person who is trying to learn any skill at all, whether you are still in university, whether you are done with school or whatsoever. In fact, even without learning a skill, the concept of just learning sales can start making you money when you start selling digital products and a lot of stuff. So when we talk about sales is not just limited to skills, and I'm going to be making another video on 5 income skills every man should learn. And it's not just limited to men. Girls can learn it, women can learn it, university students can also learn it. In fact, teenagers can also learn these skills and start making money. This is 2026, this is the time of AI, so it's not a time to say, oh, I cannot do all these things. With your phone, you can be able to learn this skill, and if you are consistent, in 3 to 6 months, you start making money from this skill. So make sure you subscribe and also drop it in the comment section. Which skill are you learning? And I'll also help tell you how you can be able to sell yourself in that particular field. And if you find this video informative, if you find this video helpful, then don't forget to hit on the red subscribe button, and also share this video to your friends so they can come here and get value. And in turn, I'll feel motivated to continue dropping helpful videos like this. And I'll see you in my next video. Always remember, you are wonderful. Always remember, you are unique. And always remember, you're a pace setter. I really love you. Thank you.